Hi, I'm Morgan McIntyre.
And I'm Molly Spratt, and we're going to reflect on our experiences using the Sphero ball.
So under the What Did You Learn category, this activity was done in a group and we learned collaboration skills from working in a team. A lot of problem solving was used in this activity and we thought it was helpful to have another group member's opinions to further our learning. We learned how to think about angles from a different perspective when we had to visualize what shape we wanted to create and think about the angles and lengths involved in the geometric shape. We feel if we were students in grade 3 or 4 classroom, it would be helpful to draw out the shape first, then measure the angles and use trial and error to accurately achieve the proper length by using the Sphero. By the end of the activity, we learned how to successfully code using the Tickle app. However, it was helpful going into this activity already knowing how to code from using the Scratch program in class and in the online activities. We liked that the Sphero gave opportunities for differentiated learning through low-floor, high-ceiling activities. For instance, once we completed a task, we were able to create a more complex code and try to accomplish a new shape.
So reflecting on how we felt. Prior to participating in this activity, we were nervous because we had never used a program like this before, and we didn't want to ruin the technology. Though, once we started, we loved it. We had so much fun using the Sphero. We thought it was a great alternative way to teach geometric shapes, measurement, and angles to children. The Sphero made us want to challenge our thinking and motivated us to take on more difficult tasks. We found that using the Sphero gave us a sense of pride and empowerment for being.
How does this relate to other course activities and experience? We can see ourselves using the Sphero for many math strands. We can use it for patterning through the use of colors. We can also use it for geometry by exploring angles and making shapes. It can also be used for measurement and proportional reasoning. What we really liked about the Sphero is it also helps make connections between these strands in an engaging way. As a teacher, the Sphero is an amazing tool because it gives the students immediate feedback, so the teacher does not have to intervene as much. It engages kinetic, tactile, and visual learners, which traditional math does not. We like to think that the Sphero fits in with the Tony Wagner's concept of iteration rather than failure, and George Gagnitas' open-ended teaching approach.
What will we do next? We hope to continue to learn how to code using different programs and apps, so we can feel more confident in coding and using computational thinking. Eventually, we want to introduce these programs and activities to children in schools and show them how to use technology in a math class. We can challenge students to apply their math skills using obstacle courses to highlight geometry and spatial reasoning, which is currently the least emphasized strand.
Thanks for watching!
Hope you enjoyed our insights.
We're excited to do this more in the classroom.
Here are our references related to Tony Wagner and George Gagnitas.
Bye.